Hi, let us have a quick understanding on Arduino. Arduino is a microcontroller based, a single board based system. It's open source and very simple to use. It's an electronic platform and it plays a significant role within the IoT industry. It's very easy to use, very simple, cheap, as well as it can read data from sensors, any electronic devices like buttons, or even from internet like a Twitter message. It can very easily integrate with other systems like Raspberry Pi, and we can use the programming languages like C and C++. There are different flavors of Arduino boards depending on the size, memory, processor, or the microcontroller power, and n number of I/O pins where it is going to interface, as well as depending on the power requirement, we can use different type of Arduino boards. Basically, it works based on a single microcontroller, and the microcontroller keeps on executing a loop continuously. I'll be having a piece of code that can read data or it can deliver data. I have a sample Arduino board. So this is a sample where we do have a USB point where I can interface with any other external system or computer system, as well as I have n number of I/O pins which can interface with other systems, as well as it is powered with a DC jack which can be powered with 7 to 12 volt DC adapter. The microcontroller, it varies from 8-bit to 64-bit based on the capacity that we need. Let's understand how it plays a significant role within the IoT industry. I may be having a number of sensors, and the sensor might be providing the input or it might be looking for some other output. I'll be having a piece of code which keeps on reading the data and it decides what needs to be done on that particular data. Either the data may be sent over the internet or it might be sent to the other external system or some other hub which is planted in the industry. And this loop continuously it plays as and when it gets the data will be processed based on what the instruction have been provided based on the code, that is C or C++ language.